How to find Cash App card if lost. First, we want to click on our profile icon in the top right corner. Then from here, we have to select the option for support. And we have to search for lost card. So it will give us an article right here. So if we click on it, it will tell us that we have to click on the Cash Card tab on the home screen, select the Cash Card support, report your card, select card stolen or compromised, or we can just click on the link right here that says related. Once we have clicked on it, we can select to report our Cash Card. So it will ask us whether our card is missing, has been stolen, compromised, or damaged. So if we just click on card missing, then it will report to Cash App support that our card has been or has gone missing, and it might require some more information from you. So you just write the information right here to Cash App support, and they will help you locate and lock your card if they can't locate it. So hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.